A new package arrived today, and it is a new PC part for me. Finally, after 5 years of running a mid-tier GPU, a 1660 from 2019, I finally made an upgrade. I wanted to get one of the new 9070 cards, but with the distribution issues and the stock selling out so fast, I found a pretty decent alternative. This is in the used market, so certainly not for everybody, but the XFX Radeon 6800 XT. And this card appears to be in excellent condition, but we won't really know until we get it plugged in. Now, this is my current card, the Gigabyte 1660 OC 6GB card, which doesn't really hold up in modern gaming, so I decided to go to this card, which is a little bit larger. Now this part I don't need to do, but I'm going to add a second 8-pin connector rather than using the dual 8-pin that came on the single already installed connector. And now that it's installed, it's time to see what this thing can really do.